National Electrical Code, or NEC, generally governs the use of colored conductors for electrical wiring. The NEC reserves green or green with a yellow stripe for equipment grounding conductors. However, exceptions exist. Section 725.28 of the NEC outlines an exception for traffic signals. This exception permits using colored conductors other than green for grounding in traffic signal installations specifically designed and approved by the authority having jurisdiction. If qualified electricians working in a controlled environment perform the work, and the relevant authority approves the traffic signal installation, using green wire as an ungrounded conductor for the green light is likely permissible. While green wire typically indicates grounding, it can serve as an ungrounded wire in traffic signals under the previously described exception. The NEC acknowledges that using colored conductors for traffic signals serves a specific purpose and is well established within the industry. Safety remains paramount. Using green wire as an ungrounded wire in traffic signal installations demands utmost care to prevent confusion or potential hazards. Firstly, there should be clear and permanent labeling. The circuit must have clear, permanent labeling to indicate the green wire functions as an ungrounded wire. Secondly, one must perform continuity testing before energizing the circuit. This testing verifies the green wire connects properly to the correct terminals. Thirdly, one must have proper documentation. Maintain thorough documentation that records the use of green wire as an ungrounded wire and the justification for its use.